When everything fell apart, you didn't disappear. You just went silent. And by the way, I'm Ken the Trudge Therapist. Hit that follow button and save this on the next tip on how to reappear. Set a 30 to 60 minute window throughout your day. In every segment, at least just one, ask yourself, what is the healthiest thing for me right now? Then make the move. Tally the small adjustments towards what is healthy for you. This is how momentum starts. Quiet, consistent, and yours. Click the link in the bio. There's a Trudge starter guide just for you. Let's trudge on. Be the paradox.